And my second question also I will ask, then you can answer both the questions together. The second question is, why do you create so much of excitement on the booklet app? I've been following the booklet app since years, and it's like every day there is something exciting over there. Like the reading IQ, I'll tell you, I have so many book summaries on the booklet app. I guess I have 215 summaries already on my app. Okay, but still every day I listen to the book summaries, and I'm listening to it repeatedly. I'm waiting for the new summaries to be downloaded, and why do you create this in so much of
Wow.
excitement?
I think this is one of the best questions I got. I would like to answer your second question first because that is more exciting for me. Uh, I have two, three answers to your second question. See, first, what I believe is what I don't do is more important than what I do. Now, this is a very difficult sentence to understand. Steve Jobs had said this when he was on deathbed. Yeah, and Larry Page of Google, Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, and Bill Gates of Microsoft, they were standing around his deathbed, and Mark Zuckerberg happened to come out with this question: what is your message? Now you are going to leave this world, and we are the ones who are going to dominate the corporate world. Can you tell us one message before leaving this world? And he said, what you don't do is more important than what you do. और मुझे को समझा ही नहीं ये लाइन. For 6 months I investigated on this line. What is he trying to tell? Because Steve Jobs बोला मतलब कुछ तो रहेगा अच्छा, right? And then I understood, there are you many a times when you are on a journey of particular thing, there are many opportunities that come on the way, but if that opportunities are not aligned with your main purpose, main goal, they are not opportunities, they are distractions. So I have many other people along with with reading app, they are doing so many things. Now I'm a fitness freak guy. I might come out with a YouTube channel on fitness, but I did not do it because I should focus only on one thing. Get narrow and deeper is what I believe. So Rajeshwari, when we do the same thing, others do the same thing again and again, we call him expert. Like an eye surgeon is only doing surgeries for 10 years, 20 years, we call him expert, and we'll prefer that guy, that doctor over any other doctor. But when we do the same thing over and over and over again, we call it monotony. Isn't it funny? क्या रे सालों से मैं एक ही चीज कर रहा हूं. So how to deal with this monotony is instead of going horizontally expanding and diversifying, vertically innovate. एक ही चीज में बुक्स में जो भी मैं कर सकूंगा with the help of technology, without the help of technology, I'll do it. I'll make sure I'll not do something that is more attractive. Like बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि न्यूज चैनल शुरू करो. Why? First of all, I'll be diluting my image. Okay, when you stand for one thing, people can easily identify you with that one thing. So whoever in the world talks about books, you should think about me and Booklet Guy. Okay, so I believe that vertically innovate, and for that what I do is simple. For everything that I do, it could be as simple as replying to an email. How can I do it in lesser time, or how can I do it in lesser effort, or how can I do it in lesser money if money is involved? If you keep asking this question now, you will never settle on a particular process. And that's the difference between McDonald's and a Vada Pav wala Rajmata near me. Because the Vada Pav wala, the Rajmata Vada Pav has settled on 3 laborers, wo tawa, 20 साल से वही तेल, वही process, so he is there. McDonald's भी शायद वही level पे शुरू किया, but he never settled. He kept on asking these 3 questions. How can I do it in lesser effort, lesser time, or lesser money? And then the kitchen became mechanized, and he kept finding new ways, and that's why he has franchises across the world. Yeah, so I think this is what we have to do, and then you will always feel excited about doing that because novelty is important, right? मेरा जो excitement आज है और 4 साल पहले बुकलेट के लिए था, उसमें फर्क गिरेगा, of course गिरेगा, because I am doing the same thing again and again. But then how to deal with that monotony? By vertically innovating. So that's I always encourage. Don't try to do different things. Do things differently. एक ही चीज पकड़ो और there is no limit to creativity. As you rightly said, I will keep on coming. I don't know नए क्या आइडियाज आएंगे 6 महीने के बाद, but आएंगे, डेफिनेटली आएंगे. रीड वन गेट वन 4 साल पहले मुझे मालूम नहीं था. या टाइनी बुकलेट मुझे नहीं मालूम था. आई टुक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम ट्विटर की शॉर्ट मैसेजेस. देन आई केम आउट विद रीडिंग प्रोग्रेस बार. या देन आई केम आउट विद रीडिंग IQ. अभी और कुछ आएगा, आई एम वेरी श्योर.